Hi guys, Jack posted that link on Friendship last night, and it was of some children teaching how to make a grinder. That's a bloody misleading title. Which, I don't know, I watched it last night and I was really drunk. A grinder is some kind of technical term that they came up with for a paper aeroplane, but I did like how all of the related videos were all about weed. This is going to be fun.
Hello, it's me, Caden Burns again. Patrick, 29.
Obviously, you have to be shirtless to do it right.
Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make a grinder.
Okay.
First, you fold it hot dog style. Hot diggity dog. Then you do this.
You fold
This way. And you
hot diggity
fold
dog.
it like this. Of course, like a regular one, except you fold it. Yep, like you make it like this. Then instead of doing this, you turn it over. And then it might be a little crumbly, like mine is, but not too much. Then you take the corner of the paper and then put it in the middle. In the middle. In the middle.
What?
Then you do it with the other side.
Hmm?
And you see this right here? Listen closely. See this? Look how it is right now. You do this. And then put it over the two things.
I feel like such a pedo.
Then you turn it over. And then you fold it like this.
Whoa.
Don't do it yet. Wait. You do this, remember? Gotta fold it over. Then do it this way. Mine's crumbled. Bet yours will too.
Bit pessimistic, but alright.
If you can make it not crumble, then you're good, dude. You're really good. Do it again. Then, see this? Listen closely. Listen closely. You do this. Turn it over. Fold it. Make sure it's in here at all times. Stick it in the pocket. And then you take the first piece and then fold it over here. Then turn it over and then like again. Fold it like here. Make it flat and then you gotta get the airplane. That's a grinder. Let's see it fly. See how good it is. Again, I'll show you that. Ow! What? I got keys. Hey, keys, and we don't carry. Okay, let's do. Move, Liam. I'm gonna fly it.
Yeah, fuck you, Liam.
Here we go. As you can see, it did spark. Okay. That's it for today. Bye, and I'm Cam Patrick 29. Peace.
Fucking hate kids.
Why can't people understand? I got a short attention span.
Apparently I've been clothing myself for 21 years now, but I still don't know how to put on a vest.